Welcome, my name is Katie, and this is Bradley. Today we're going to talk about yogic three-part breath. So yogic three-part breath is a breath that has three parts, as it says in its name. And these three parts are centered on your belly, your rib cage, and up at the top of your throat as that third part of your breath. So yogic three-part breath is great to get yourself into the parasympathetic nervous system. So that allows your body to move into the rest and digest state, as opposed to being in our traditional fight or flight mode, which is something that we're in most of the time during the day. So I love this breath to get me right into that relaxed state. It just kind of lets me feel a lot more relaxed and kind of get about with my day better right after I do this breath. So how do you do this breath? Let's walk through it. You can perform this breath in an easy seated position like I am here. You can even be lying down on the ground. Either way, you want to close your eyes and align your spine first. So really ground in towards your sits bones. Feel your belly pull up and in. Your lower rib cage will pull in as you lift through your heart and let your shoulders relax down your back. Crown of your head extends towards the sky so you feel length through your spine. Now that our spine is aligned, let's begin our breath. So take your right hand, place it palm face down on your belly. That's the first part of our three-part breath. Take an inhale. As you inhale in through your nose, press your belly out towards your palm. So inhale deep. And exhale out through the nose. Feel your belly retract back towards the spine. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale deep into your belly. Press your belly out. Exhale, release. Pull your belly back towards your spine. 1 more time like that. Big breath in. Feel your belly press out. Exhale, release the breath out. So now let's focus on that second part of our breath. Take your left hand to your rib cage. So you will still breathe into your belly. Inhale deep into your belly, but now expand your rib cage after you expand your belly with that inhale. Good, let's exhale from our rib cage and from our belly. Deep breath in, all the way down to the base of your belly. Rib cage expands. Exhale, release from the rib cage, release from the belly. 1 more time like that. Inhale deep into your belly. Deep into your rib cage. Let your heart expand. Exhale from your rib cage. Exhale from your belly. Now the third part of our breath, let's take our right hand and place it at the base of our throat. That's the third part of our yogic breath. So as you inhale in, you're breathing down to the base of your belly still. Part 1, inhale. Inhale into the rib cage. Let your heart expand. Part 2. And part 3, drink that breath all the way up to the top of your throat. You can fill your breath all the way up. Exhale, release from the throat, the rib cage, and then the belly. 2 more times. Inhale into your belly, into your rib cage, to the top of your throat. Release from the throat, the rib cage, all the way down to the belly. Let it go. 1 more. Inhale, deep into your belly, deep into the rib cage, all the way up to the top of the throat. Hold, and let go from the throat, the rib cage, and the belly. Now let's release our hands to our thighs. Close your eyes, and let's practice that 3-part yogic breath. Inhale, deep into the belly. Let it press out. Lift through your heart. Drink your breath to the top of your throat. Pause at the top. Suspend the breath. Exhale from the throat, from the rib cage, from the belly. Pause at the bottom, empty breath. Inhale in, drink that breath all the way down to your base. Fill your belly, press it out, press your heart out into the rib cage. Deep breath all the way up to the top of your throat. Pause at the top, suspend your breath. Exhale from the throat, from the rib cage, from the belly. Pause with empty breath. One more time. Inhale deep in towards your belly. Fill the belly like a balloon. Fill into the rib cage, all the way up to the top of your throat. Suspend the breath. Begin your exhale from the throat, from the rib cage, and from the belly. All the way, empty breath, pause. So that is how you practice your 3-part yogic breath. Anytime during the day where you feel you need to pause and recenter, tune into your 3-part breath. Thank you so much for joining me. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more yoga classes or yogi information like this. Hit the bell to get some alerts when I go live. And you can find more information at Katie Marie Yoga on Instagram as well. Aloha and thank you.